all the ways I could choose to eat a plant-based diet, why do I choose to be macrobiotic? First and foremost, macrobiotics just means living a large, great life. The art of learning how to live a healthy, long life and bear fruit. I believe whole grains are very highly under attack and underrated. Whole grains are like these seeds that are just pure potential energy. They will store well. You can hang on to them for a long time and they're not going to go bad, as long as they're properly stored. And it's like you just soak them and then cook them, and they come to life, and that energy is what you absorb. In Asian medicine, in Chinese medicine, Ayurvedic medicine, and macrobiotic theory, we look at the energetics of food and what is going to be the most balancing to your system. We don't isolate everything in a reductionistic way like in Western nutrition. And so we consider foods for their energetic nature and how that's going to provide balance to you and your needs. In Chinese herbal therapy, we provide herbs, or in diet therapy, food choices that are going to best balance the condition that you are trying to resolve. So if you have an excess of heat, we're going to prescribe cooling herbs or cooling foods. But if you tend to run really cold, if you have a lot of deficiency symptoms, we are not going to prescribe a lot of raw fruit and raw salads. That would be the last thing we would prescribe. You need warmth. You need warming spices, warming foods, cooked foods.